Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Between Marcos Strikers and decent gladiators, 20 over has got the coin. Tail is the call and it is head. क्या करना चाहेंगे आज आप?
हम पहले बॉलिंग करना चाहेंगे।
बड़ा सोच के आपने बताया, तो क्या लग रहा है आपको किस वजह से बॉलिंग पहले कर रहे हैं?
विकेट बिल्कुल डेड है।
डेड भी है, चलेगा? कितना
हाँ।
स्कोर तक रुक सकता है?
इंशाल्लाह 150 तक रोक लेंगे इन्हें।
भाई से पूछते हैं जी, टॉस हार गए हैं, अगर टॉस अगर जीता होता तो क्या ज़्यादा था?
अगर हम टॉस जीते तो इंशाल्लाह हम पहले बॉलिंग करते, लेकिन चलें अब हम टारगेट देंगे। हमारी कोशिश है कि 200 प्लस दें, 20 ओवर्स हैं,
टारगेट अच्छा देने की कोशिश करेंगे।
200 प्लस इंशाल्लाह।
Both skippers have a good time together just before the start of the match. One guy is coming for the brand new pitch here. Look at the pitch condition this morning. Raheel brings you a pitch report. A whole lot of different things. It's a troublemaker area, I think. If you play on that side, that will be a lot of trouble for the batsman. This patch, I think the whole of the patch is not dried up. A little bit wet. You can see there is some water. There is something a toss spinner that will stuck the ball. T20 game and invocation time, praying for the success and praying that. T20 match has just started. Imtiaz and Javed to open. Brand new ball. Daniel, here you go. First ball, new ball, shining ball in his hand. He has a lot of confidence on his running. First ball, can pick up wicket. Over the top, 4 runs. No chance for the man. It's a mind game. Dominating the bowler early, he knows. Over the top is a chance. It will be difficult though. He's dropped it. My goodness, what is doing this? Donny King has made a chance. 2 as a result. Javed. Dot. Good comeback by 5 deliveries, 6 without loss. Marco Strikers. Donny King to ball the last lift and it's up and over. Ali, here you go. It was still single, 7 of the first. Defensive over. Javed will keep the strike. Over you go. Spin option to pick the wicket. The man is in deep in the business here. Donny King. Javed, there you go. Striking the ball hard. First ball for Omar. Spin bowling. Over the top is 4 runs. No chance. 11 without loss. A quick start for Marco Strikers. Striking the ball quickly. Will not square on those. And a 4 byes. 4 runs. 2 overs. 4 runs. Oh no. Just about to start that. Imtiaz. Good turn, good delivery. 17 without loss, 1.4 overs. Asking some questions. Good fielding by Daniel. It's a good comeback by the bowler. Still been punished for a couple of boundaries. Still a good comeback. It's a decent comeback. It's a grand comeback by the Omar. 18 without loss after 2. Donny King, here you go again. He created a couple of chances in the first hour. So does Omar. Both of the bowlers have created some chances, not seconded by the fielders. Somehow they need to grab those chances. Yeah, bhai. Good carry through. There you go. Nice shape. Nice bowling action. Another dot. 2 dot balls. A flick tap. There's a chance. 3 dot balls. Getting pressure. I can sense a wicket here because the pressure is already mounted. Wide, 5 byes. No chance for keeper. After creating some pressure, in not a disciplined bowling. Even though he got some pace, but of no use if the ball is not placed on the right area. 23 runs, a bonus 5 for buys by Daniel King. A King fast bowler. Full toss is a no. Given already, it will be a free hit. Free hit coming up. 24 runs. It's a free hit. He missed it by a mile. What a ball that was. That's a grand comeback by Dani King. 4 deliveries. He missed it again. Runs on a leg by. Last ball 25 runs somehow. Still they have controlled our run rate. Still they have controlled the 100 is just over. Wide again. 26 runs. A good fielding. Good fielding. It's end of the over. Third over. 26 without loss. Without loss after 3. Good start by Markhor strikers. Imtiaz is still not picking the ball. Even though Javed has done something good. A single. 27 without loss after 3.1. There you go. Moment of truth for the spin bat bowler. Fielder is behind it. He'll cut off. Misfield. Will go for 4. 4 runs. It's a good comeback. Good bowling though. Free hit. Yeah. Free hit. Javed will not spare. I think that was free hit. And the 4. No chance. 4 runs. That's a destruction. That's a mindset changing over. 36 runs for 3 balls. Make full use of that. 6 runs. That will be 6. That will be a 6. 6. Also massive shot. Over the top, that's in line. That will be the end. No. Third time. Until you don't pick up the catches, it's of no use. 44, 1 ball remaining. That's a mistake. That was a wide. The batsman is not happy. New bowler Asib, here you go. 44 for 1 after 4. Asib, here you go. The bowling for first over. Full toss 4 runs. It will be 4. You have to see. 48 for 1 after 4.1 over. It was a chance. Good fielding. Imtiaz and Tasif, here you go. 3 deliveries, 48 runs. Wide.
Catch it!
That will be a 6, I think. That's a short boundary, I know that. Oh no, just about.
Oi! Plum tha bhai.
That is a 4 more. No, just good fielding. Good fielding. He hit on the. Tosif has stopped that at the end of the over. 56 runs and still a lot of discussion. Over हो गया यार, ठीक है.
ओवर हो गया यार, मैं खेलना खेल रहा हूं.
56 score है, ठीक है. New bowler Bilal, 56 runs. Bilal and Daniel, there you go. 56 runs after 5 overs. Fast bowler. Good, nice action. Good defended. And a single. And a buys. No. Good fielding. No. Good shot. Good reach. Tosif is not finding the middle of the bat still. Good bowling by Bilal. Good action. Good on action. Good bowling. 3 deliveries. That's a nice action, I think. He's creating some pressure. Good defend by Tosif. Was fielded well by Daniel. There you go. Good delivery, there you go. Not finding, still not finding in the middle bat. That's a genuinely brilliant over. Change the bat. Last ball. Just 1 run of this over. 6 hour gone, 56 for 1. 56 runs after 6 hours.
आउट है ओए छोटे आप क्या डाली आउट है राम कैच इट
That's a shot. Fielder behind it.
ओए
4. No. Still man behind it. And a 4. Midfield 4 runs. 3 deliveries. 63. No ball. Leg umpire. 65. Free hit coming up.
कैच इट
Shot. Just a single. Good shot. Last ball. It's a dot ball. 7 over gone. 7 over 71 for 1. Good fielding. Shot. Fielder behind it. 2 singles to start 8th over. White. White. Three deliveries, 77 runs. White. 78 runs. Midfield. Fielder behind it. 79 score. Good ball. That's a genuinely good ball. That's impressive. That's impressive. Edge on 4. The fielder behind it. That will be 4. That will be 4. I know already. The moment he nicked it, that was going fast. 8 over gone, 83 for 1. Was 220, 230 even. $82 for 1 after 8. That's in business. Fielder is in business. And he dropped it. Bilal had dropped it. And a mix up even. Tosif. There you go.
No ball.
4 runs. 4. No. Good fielding.
देखो किधर खड़ा है यार तो क्या है इधर शुरू से इधर ही खड़ा भाई किसका सर्कल दिखा रहे हो सही है यासीन आ जा छोड़
That's not a no ball. Oh, he's not happy, umpire. He's going back. He says that no.
नो बॉल
It is free hit. Yeah, there you go, free hit.
कैच
No fuse.
ये बाउंड्री से बाहर खड़ा है वो देखो अभी अब 5 स्कोर है भाई
Ralph gloved it, and the fielding side complained that without glove you cannot even take guard. You must wear the glove. This is not a tape ball. This is hard ball. Have some rules and regulations to follow. Some SOPs. That's a strict action taken by the captain of the other team in Pakistani shirt. 88 for 1 after 9.
ठीक है
Partnership
इधर आ जाओ
gallery.
इधर आ जाओ
45 is the ball. 44 runs the partnership.
Wide one.
अमर भाई खुदा में मारना नहीं रहा चल भाई कैच है
Good catch taken at the end of this long inning, a marathon inning by Shoaib Taslim. 2 down. Shoaib Taslim will face.
वन
One not out, Shoaib Taslim. 93 for 2 after 10 over. Captain is holding the ball for the second over. Over the top, just a single by Daniel King. The brand new batsman will go for kill, I think. 4 runs, no chance for fielder. His improvisation is working. He's taking risk. He's practiced that shot so many times that he will sweep you for a whole day without making an error. It's a lot of practice. Midfield.
4 runs.
4 runs, 4. 2-4 in a row. And there's a manifestation of how this hour is going to end. Will not leave that bowler. He will take risk, I know them. He will go big shot. 4.
Choka.
Third boundary in this hour. 3 boundaries on the last 4 balls. He's come on a mission. Like animated characters sent down on a mission. That's ऊपर है.
राम राम
अमर भाई यार तुम कैच पास छोड़ देता ने यार
Edge dropped.
उधर अंपायर के पास चले जाओ
12th over. Good fielding by the captain. He has hit him. That's a shot. Still no run.
ना मार दे जी
2 doll balls. Pressure building. 12th over. Big hit coming up. Fielder is behind it.
खुद देखा यार ये मेरे सामने आया यार पावर प्ले के बॉल क्रिकेट खेलने आए क्या कर रहे हैं
That's not a fair move, I think. Lot of discussion. Heated discussion. The man is not letting him ball. He is bowling now. A lot of discussions.
इम्तियाज
A lot of discussions.
चले जाओ अंपायर
A lot of discussions.
नो बॉल
No ball.
वाइड बॉल
Just a single. It will be a single though. Keep the strike, Shoaib Taslim. And that's why challenge continue now. There's a real time for the challenge. The batsman who is in explosive mood. 3 boundaries.
नो बॉल
No ball now. The free hit again. Free hit. He make position. Dot ball. Wide. 5 by 5 runs. No. 3 runs. 3 runs of buys. Now the bowler has changed his mind. Fast ball he will. बहुत बेसिक लेवल पे इनकी गेम है अभी स्टार्टिंग हुई है इनकी फ्लिक 4 runs no need to run for that one that's a 4 buys 4 runs buys
चौका हाँ
4 buys
यार तू बैटिंग कर अपनी
hold Whole dugout is in the ground. Whole dugout is in the ground. Oh my God. What is happening?
यार इधर बैठो साइड पे यार.
Whole dugout is in the ground. Last ball. 4 runs. 4 runs. What a shot that is. That's improvisation at its very best. That's a some shot. Batsman is changed now, declared as a result of declaration.
बैटे चाह रही हैं ऊपर ही हैं दोबारा.
New batsman.
मारो आ गई.
Very fancy batsman coming up. Vikas, a new batsman as a result of declaration. Last batsman declared himself for the good of the team.
मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ फिल्टर वो पीछे खड़ा. पर ना खड़े होने
Most
के
decent
बराबर है.
bowlers have not let any batsman to go after. It's not easy to play. Action is unique. तो अभी देख लेते छक्का मारेगा देखना है क्या वैसा इतने सिखा के है उसको
शॉट तेरी शॉट
अली आई है.
सिंगल
नॉर्डन.
four runs that's a four
या
that's a easy boundary
ये किस इंतजार कर रहे यार बॉल ऐसे.
नो बॉल.
no ball
से देखिए भाई वीडियो निकालो इस बॉल.
that's a free hit
अंपायर.
भाई वो फील्डर चेंज है वो टोपी वाला खड़ा हुआ दूसरा बैठ गया
free hit that's a six runs
फास्ट बॉल है.
Ali there you go the fast bowler is a quick stop थोड़ा सा इधर होके खेलना होगा Ali a junior bowler and Shoaib Taslim to face him fast bowler no ball another free hit for Vikas to prove his mettle to prove the skills he got running is the main problem even though Shoaib is coming for 2 no score from this side he missed out on a full toss that can be dispatched for 4 9.1 over 35 legitimate deliveries
नो बॉल.
another 4
यार उसको देखो ना. उस अंपायर को भी देख लो अगर मैंने गलत किया तो.
another
नहीं इधर बात तो दोबारा इस तरह चीखना नहीं. अच्छा हम गलत अंपायरिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं और इस तरह के चीख रहे हैं ना.
well, it has been very going on genuine discussions of 15th over the man in business good catch second catch for him
इधर ही खड़ा हो. उधर ही खड़ा हो ना.
I think that will be another chance वो वाली मेरे उसके साथ देखो out given by second catch for that man Bilal good catch best cup he himself draw the boundary that's out that's means hand that's out that's given out second catch for Bilal as a result a new batsman is coming Salman the new batsman 3 wickets down Salman there you go
वाइट बॉल.
one more remaining of 15th over end of the 15th hour 148 for 3 after 15 hour 5 hours remaining 0.1 hour last ball for Shoaib Taslim will be declared after that 3 dot balls set batsman भी ऐसा करना था 3 dot balls run out. Other players run out. After 3 dot balls, fourth one is it can be made an hour in T20. 158 है 17 ओवर में। शुएब पीछे से बोल्ड होते हुए, क्योंकि स्क्वायर लेग पे कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे, बिहाइंड स्क्वायर ट्राई के चक्कर में बोल्ड हो गए। और बहुत अच्छी शॉट मिडल लिया कप्तान ने, ड्रॉप प्लेयर की तरफ से। क्या ही ड्रॉप हुआ, बोल्ड करने वाले प्लेयर की तरफ से इस दफ़ा अटैकिंग शॉट खेलते हुए प्लेयर, और क्या ड्रॉप, गुड शॉट। 159 17 ओवर। Oh, beautiful. Look at that timing. Much of power and height and command in this shot. And it's gone for 6. Really was a tremendous hit straight down the ground. नाम क्या प्लेयर का? Mufiz. What a great strike under pressure. 2 hours remaining after this one. क्या लग रही है, देखो लगी है ना सही। Always looking for it's called white. Certainly take it that. Same shot but along the ground. There's a chase for the fielder and it's a tumble and come back for 2. Very good. Inside edge and suddenly caught batsman by surprise. Following with batsman with the old ball, and in the death hours it's gone through. There's a tumble. That's pressure. That's pressure. Thirteen legal deliveries remaining in the first half of the game. A beautiful sun there. One last ball to ball of the 18th. It's away from the batsman. It's not a wide, it's a dot ball. It's end of the over. It's end of the another good over. He's been really good with the ball, especially with the old one and the one slightly used that sort of ball. Haseeb to ball the 19th over. Inside edge and a dot ball, first ball of the 19th over. He stretched that in the position and his catch is down. Good running effort and he couldn't hold on that. Very, very good fielder in the team, but he puts him down. Raheel to come off the bat after wicket fallen or something. He'll be hoping to get his chance. It's a great shot. Nobody there. It's gone for 4. It's gone for 4. Some power striking in later in the first half of the play, towards the end of the innings, having put into the bat first by the opposition and suddenly taking the advantage after struggling in the first phase of the play. He's a very good fielder. He's a top fielder. Not much doubt about that of the that throw. There, 2 left of the 19th over. Have a look at that shot. Have a look at that shot over the fielder for 6 on mid wicket by the skipper. Really taking him on. Goodness gracious me. That is something towards the back end of the innings. Last ball of the 19th over. 20-20 over game.
Catch it!
He got that one. Let's put him down. It's coming. Yes, it's coming. Wicket keeper, where is he? Have a look at the scene of leg umpire. They claiming that it's surely 100% out, but leg umpire straight away says it's not out. Last over remaining of the first half.
Good umpiring, good umpiring.
Wanna check out the total score in the board? And given out. Given out. एक लिख दे फिर अगर आउट है तो.
लेग अंपायर कौन है? हाँ?
आपके बंदे ने दिया, हमारे बंदे ने नहीं दिया, आप टेंशन ना लें, हमारे बंदे ने नहीं दिया।
अब आ जाए यार. Last over remaining in the first half. 184 runs is the total after 19 overs. It's a good total, a good powerful fighting total. Left-handed batsman arrived into the center, but he'll be remain as at no striking end. 184 runs is the total after 19. One last over remaining in the first half. Train is coming. It's in the air. In the air. Who wants it? That's a good catch. And that's the regression. That's the aggression. Nomi, aja. Raheel. Oh, shot. First ball. It's not wandering. It's gone for 4. Goodness me. It's gone for 4. Running. Wapis. ले भाई.
हो तो क्या हो गया?
4 बना, 3 बना. Goodness me. 4 runs on the first ball that he faced. यार भाई इस बड़ी लाइन से नीचे उतर के रहो ना, वीडियो के आगे ना हो. आपकी बनानी है. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. Well done. It's a dot ball. It's not out on 4 on 2 balls that he faced towards the end of the innings. Remember, it's the last over of the first half of the match, 2020 match. There. Oh, beautifully balled. Oh, goodness me. That is unbelievably balled. Really undone the right-hander there. It's fast and it's swinging in and it's knocked back. Middle and off stump over. Beautiful ball. 2 left of the... Oh, beautiful shot. That's a brave shot. Fielder in the chase of that. Fielder is chasing. Powerful throw and good backup in the first half. It's about 190. Oh, safe. Yes, it's coming. Goodness me, another one. It's gone for our throws. This all happening. That's pressure. That's very much of pressure. Of that World Cup pressure. You can say anything about that frustration. And the bowler is not really pleased with the effort of the fieldsman down there on the very last ball of the first half of that play. नहीं हो गया. And 197 to win in 20 overs.
ये वीडियो निकल गया 30 में से.
197 का टारगेट दिया भजन. T20 मैच में 197 का टारगेट भजन. ये मेरे भाई राहील. राहील को लेकर बालिंग कर कार्ड मेरा ही डलेगा फिर. हाँ मेरे कप्तान है भजन. बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़े भजन.
हाँ भाई तिलावत करें आपस भाई. कोई भी आ जाए.
बस ये कोशिश करनी है ना कि हम लोगों ने सिर्फ
हाँ सलमान ले लो तेज बात.
एक सलमान पीछे चला जाएगा तो सिर्फ
हमने कोशिश ये करनी पावर प्ले में रोक के रखना है.
हमने कवर करना है इसको.
पावर प्ले में रोक के रखना. और बाहर फील्डर ये नहीं है कि आपके पीछे भी फील्डर खड़ा है. गैप में खड़े होना खुद ब खुद ब्रेक के. ये नहीं है कि हर बंदा बाहर. हमारे पास एक तौसीफ जाएगा और एक सलमान.
पे आपद आ जाएगा.
सही है.
बाकी जो आते तो सब
और
शुरू कौन से
वो बताएंगे ना. नहीं बल्कि हम बताएंगे.
हाँ ना वो तो हमारी मर्जी होती है. सेट से करवा दे.
अगर आई क्लाउड बोल और लाइट ऑन
बॉल बैठ रही है.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. दिन का वक्त
बॉल बैठ नहीं रही क्योंकि एंड में
मैंने जान के करी है. साफ
इस साइड पे बॉल बैठती है एंड में
वीडियो साफ होगा
ना ये कह रहा
बॉलिंग उस साइड से करते हैं।
वो बैटिंग इस साइड से करेंगे ना, हम तो ये साइड से।
वर्ल्ड कप है भाई, वर्ल्ड कप।
सोच रहा हूं मैं क्या, तो ये वाली साइड है
एक लड़के ने कैच पकड़ा, क्या चीज़ है?
बहुत गुस्सा है बोल्ड होने का।
बोल्ड हो गया, डंडे
सलमान
निकाल
अली
दिया।
जागा कितना बल्ला उठाया था ना, मैंने कहा कवर का मारूंगा इसको शॉट बोल।
सही डंडे उड़ाए हैं उसने, ऑफ और मिडल मारी है उड़ा के उसने।
गुस्सा
चलना हार गया भजन। ट्राई ट्राई अगेन, वेल प्ले भजन। जनाब किस काम से जाना है, मुझे छोड़ के जाएगा?
कौन से
ये प्लेयर है जिन्होंने मैच जिता दिया है। वेल प्ले भजन, वेल प्ले, वेल प्ले, वेल प्ले भजन। 0348 1244 भाई को
नबी ने जो छक्का मारा है इनका यार, नबी ने जो इनका छक्का मारा ना, एंड हो गया
नाम है, सही है।
और छक्के का एंड हो गया।
ट्राई ट्राई अगेन। ओए रोमी वो मेरी जैकेट ले आ वहाँ से, वो पड़ी बड़े वाली, बाकी वो उनके पास वो पड़ा है। ट्राई ट्राई अगेन,
यार ये कप्तान साहब
जस्ट टिक रो।
जो छक्का इसने मारे ना एंड में